Alright guys, today is February 17th, 2022. It is my 9th day revision day. I am 9 days revision top surgery, so this is how it looks. This is finally peeling off, only on my left side. My right side is still, it's slowly trying to peel off, but it hasn't. But I'm also left-handed, I'm moving my hand around more, so I feel like that's why it's coming off, you know. But yeah, this is how it looks. Look at it. That's it. It looks pretty good. The redness, it's just that thin scar, but the redness around it is just, obviously it's been taped and glued to my body. This has. So obviously the red's gonna go away. It's gonna just be a thin line like that, you can tell. Which is really cool to see because every time I look at the side, I always see my thick scar. So that's pretty cool to see. So yeah, today is the end of day 9th. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. That's how it looks. All right, guys. So today is February 19th, 2022. I am 10 days post-op revision. And yeah, here's how it looks. This one hasn't even came off at all, which is so weird. It's slowly coming off, you can see, but it has not came off. But this side, this all came off right here. But I guess if you think about it, like this is the same spot. This side, you know, I've always rubbed it, so it kind of fell off. Today was my first day back at work in a week, you know, from my revision. And it was scary, you know, like I work at McDonald's, you know, so I was mostly put on a headset, which is easy, you know, but they still have like the computer where you write like, oh, you want a Big Mac? It's still like a little higher, so I'm kind of reaching my hands up like this. But then if you take orders, you also have to make drinks. You pretty much have to help everyone out, you know, like obviously it's like a teamwork job. So I have to make the drinks, and the drinks are all like high up and they're big machines and stuff. So that was kind of hard. And then this, it's awkward too because like I try, like some people know, some people don't. And the people that didn't know, like I told them like, hey, like don't out me, blah, blah, blah. And I don't think they did because a lot of them that didn't know, they were like, hey Clayton, can you take my spot online? And line, like I can't be online, it's everything's high up, you know, and it's a lot more moving, and I don't want to do that to my incisions, mostly because this is a revision. I'm not going to get another revision, you know, because I probably could, but I'll probably have to pay, plus it's not worth it. I didn't even want to do a revision. I only wanted to have one surgery, but obviously I had two, but the second one, like this isn't a bad surgery, you know, but also I got put on grill for a second. I did it because someone wanted to use the restroom. I was like, okay, like a restroom break should be like 2 minutes, you know, tops. But I forgot it was this guy who fucking takes a whole hour. Literally, he was in there for like 30 minutes. And I was like, really? And I, like, when you reach up for stuff, it's high up. That right there, I thought I stretched my scar. And I was like, oh. So, but other than that, I got put on orders most of the day, and everything was okay. But yeah, kind of scary. All right, so today is Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022, and so today I am 14, I'm 14 days post-op right now, so I'm actually 2 weeks today. Tomorrow I have my 2-week revision with my doctor, but I'm 2 weeks post-op revision, so I'm a month and 2 weeks. So you want to check? Let's go check. Let's check it out. So, yeah, I'm going to just show you. Here it is. The stuff is slowly coming off, and my doctor told me every time it slowly comes off, cut it off with scissors, or else, you know, it's like, when I didn't, because I first didn't want to, every time I, like walked, it kind of, I don't know, it hurt, you know. So I did start cutting it off, so you can see I have a little bit left. I have that much left on this side, and then I have this much left on this side. But you can see this right there. You can see that right there. I don't know, I shouldn't be putting any product on it, right? Don't I have to wait like a month to put product and stuff on it? And so, yeah, there it is. Then I have this much left to go. This is already in 9 months. Like you can tell, that's healed, then right here. And I have this much left, which is slowly coming up. I could probably get this up tomorrow. But this, I'm kind of worried. It looks fine on camera and everything, but there's like a bump there. Like,
The one thing I don't like about that, it's like, I can feel it. Like, I can't feel the rest of my scars, like, when I put my shirt on. See, I still go pretty light with my shirt. But, like, when I feel it with my shirt, I feel a bump. And that scares me because remember when I had, like, this side was the one that I had that thick side. And the thing is, when how thick it was, you could feel it through. I can't feel it through right now, but when the side was thick, so I'm scared that, like, there's going to be thick right there. But then also, it might be, like, I have ingrown hairs places. And I also have, because, you know, it got taped there. And I also have, like, pimples and stuff around there, obviously, because, you know, they literally taped it, and I haven't got to that area, you know? So it could also be, like, like under the skin pimple that's rising or something. I hope so, because I hope it's not, like, stretching or anything, because some managers are not listening still, and they're like, I'll tell them, hey, like, I got surgery, you know? And then they're like, oh, right. And then they're like, all right, Clay, at the window. The window is one place I'm not going, bro. I'm not going there. Because that's the reaching. That's the most reaching. Because people don't park right. There's some nice people that park right next to the window. Then there's the rest of people that fucking park a mile away, and you have to, like, put your feet out the window and shit. So I'm not doing the window. I'm not gonna risk my chest for it. You know, they can be without me for the window for like a month or so. They're like, oh yeah, I forgot. And then like 10 minutes later, Clay, go out the window. We need you at the window. I'm like, I just told you, bro. I have surgery, you know. It's embarrassing. Like, I have to say it like 20 times. Like, I don't even like saying it once, you know, because I don't know. I don't like saying it once, so I hate saying it 20 times. I don't tell them what I have, and I think that's why they forget, because they're like, oh yeah, you had surgery, but you look fine, because I go to work with my shirt on, my pants on, you know, and I can walk fine and everything. So I'm like, bro, like, what the fuck did you have, you know? One of the managers actually tried to guess, you know, which was awkward, but she guessed lipo, which I guess it is kind of lipo, right? It's extra skin. So I said no at first, but I'm like, because I didn't understand. I'm like, what is lipo? But I forgot some trans guys actually get lipo with their surgeries. It depends, like, if you're like have like a bigger chest or a smaller chest, or like, well, no, I don't even think it's bigger. I think it's if it's on the side, isn't it? I don't know. But she gets lipo. And I said no, but then I was like, you know what, she's gonna keep guessing, because she's like, I want to know what it is, or something like that. I'm like, you know what, yeah, it is lipo. It's a kind of lipo. As I just said that, which I guess it is kind of lipo, right? It's extra skin getting cut off and getting sucked out, whatever. So yeah, I don't know, but yeah, I'm happy with it right now. You know, update you guys later when anything changes, and thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate it. Bye.